Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do things a little bit different. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use the ginger and coconut oil to steam my hair for hair growth. So my natural hair has always been short. Whenever my hair was relaxed, it was lengthy until it starts to break and my hair starts to fall out, and then I decided I was gonna go natural and treat it so that it may grow properly and to use less chemicals in my hair. So I decided I'm gonna try this. So one of my very good friends, she's also a YouTuber. I'm gonna link her information in the description box. Her name is K Plush TV. You can check her out. She have a lot of DIYs on her channel. She introduced this to me about a year ago, and I realized that it works and I like it, so I decided I'm gonna stick to it. So as you can see, I'm just grating the ginger, and then all I'm gonna do after is just to juice it and add my coconut oil. So what ginger does for your hair is that it stimulates your hair follicles and thus promotes hair growth. So coconut oil treats damaged hair and also adds shine to your hair. So it makes your hair shiny, and if your hair is damaged, it is good to use also. So this is a ginger after I've grated it, and I'm not going to add any water or anything to it. I'm just going to juice it natural as it is, and then I'm going to add the coconut oil. So you see all of that natural ginger juice. So you want to make sure you squeeze it as hard as you can to get all the juice from it. And then I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to it and just mix it together, and then that should be it. So I'm just gonna add it to my hair now. So I'm using my hand, but since it's a bit watery, you guys might want to use an applicator, maybe a brush or something to distribute it throughout your hair. But I'm just gonna use my hands for now, and then I'm gonna cover my hair with this. I'm gonna massage it into my scalp first, and then I'm gonna cover it with a plastic cap because it's in the afternoon now and I'm not going to bed right now. But I'm gonna cover it with a plastic cap, and I'm gonna keep it on throughout the evening. And then when I'm going to my bed, I'm gonna cover my hair with a silk scarf and sleep with it overnight. And then in the morning, I'm going to wash my hair. So that should penetrate my scalp long enough. And there you have it, guys. Thank you guys so much again for watching my video. Thank you for watching to the end, and please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, share the link with a friend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.